Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out these chamber safety flags, and the manufacturer was nice enough to send these over to us for us to check out. So let's take a closer look at these. Right here is the case that you are going to get. It comes in a case of 10. This one does right here. Universal sizes, 0.17 to 0.78 is what you're going to get in regards to your caliber size. Let's go ahead and open this up and check out what we have in here. Now, I've already got one pieced together right here, but you are going to get this, and they are all going to be in these 3 different pieces. You're going to have the actual part right here that slides into the chamber. You'll have like this little keyring thing, and then you'll have the actual empty chamber flag. So, I mean, if you wanted to use these for something else and you bought multiple different packs of these, I see here on the front that they do have different colors and stuff like that, you could easily swap these out into whatever unique manner you would like to use them. But that is it right there. Just slides into your chamber. Like I said, fits those multiple different chamber sizes, and it is universal, so you can use it on shotguns, pistols, and rifle chambers as well. Overall, great little safety device right here. So if you're interested in one, go ahead and check it out.